The future is now. The Robo-Cleaner from Karcher. The Robo-Cleaner will change your life because it vacuums your floors even when you are not at home. You have a choice of 4 cleaning programs. The Robo-Cleaner vacuums up to 15 square meters an hour. Contact sensors detect obstacles. With its intelligent dirt recognition sensor, the Robo-Cleaner adjusts itself to suit the degree of soiling. The Robo-Cleaner gets into every corner and finds its way out again. Cleaning different floor coverings is no problem for the Robo-Cleaner. It negotiates obstacles such as small ridges with the help of its sprung wheels. Optical sensors enable the Robo-Cleaner to identify stairs reliably.